just finished our house church meeting. Pastor Dan Idadan, very good wife, and our children. This is our house church. Sumadi.
Ini so amoy ko ini manobo kambing ini amo na ko kinta singkuan sa igat sa ini.
Yung papa nimo.
Amoy ko.
So papa nimo manubo. Ang mama
ini banwaon na ini.
Banwaon.
Banwaon na tribe wa ini nakain sa kanya na tribo daan.
So, good combination, ha? Your father is a Manobo and your mother is
a Manobo and my mother is a Banwaon. And there's a big difference tribe. The language, we could not understand each other.
So how old is your father?
My father is about 85 years old. During the Japanese war, he was there to help.
So your mother?
Yeah.
Your mother mo is?
My mother is Banwaon and also
86 years old?
82.
Bata pa.
I love them. Because they a little boy. He helped me to grow with a good integrity in leadership. So I am so proud for my papa.
And now you are the pastor and also the supreme dato.
I am a missionary and pastor, missionary pastor, and become a supreme dato of the three tribes. It's a blessing.
And also president.
President of our tribal organization, the Bamata. Bamata means Banwaon, Manubo, Talaandi. The three tribes working together to protect our people from any outside who take away our resources. We experience a lot of things here, like ladders. But this is the right time for us to really stand before to stand between the dots. Salamat tayo.
Iba yan na mapulungan yuta ni kubi sa lusay no ni kuda jandaya ng su nalindu ka tulugan ta natun ang talala kuwag kahanaw da mana jangku.
house church